So I currently have a credit score of 844 as you can see from my screen. So credit scores that fall within 800 to 900 are regarded as excellent, which means I have an excellent credit score. Now let me show you how you can achieve this in less than 3 years just like I did. Number one, you need to understand the terms of your credit card agreement. It's important to read the terms of your credit card agreement to be fully aware of all terms, including billing cycles, your interest rate, and your fees. 2. Limit your credit utilization. You need to spend below your limit because this is essential to maintaining a good credit score. Now, the rule of thumb is to ensure you don't spend beyond 30% of your credit limit which has been availed to you. You should also request a financial institution to increase your credit limit. That way, you would have more utilization room. 3. Pay your bill in full and on time. Credit cards typically offer payment grace periods of about 21 days between your statement date and your due date. If you pay off all your balance rather than just the minimum amount within this time, you won't incur any interest on the balance. Those interest charges can actually make it harder to pay off your credit card debt over time. You can also set up auto deductions from your checking account to pay off your credit card balances so you don't miss any payments. So next is for you to constantly review your credit report and your credit card statement. So this should help you detect any unauthorized transactions in your credit report or your credit card. You can use tools like Credit Karma, Borrowwell, which will typically notify you if there are changes to your credit reports. I put the link to download them on my bio, so feel free to check them out. So next is your credit history. You need to avoid canceling your first credit card because it has a high impact on your credit score. Another important thing is that if your card gets lost or stolen, or you suspect that you are being a victim of credit card fraud, you should immediately report to your financial institution. Now the last point is hard credit checks. You need to reduce the number of hard credit checks done on your account. Avoid buy now or pay later schemes and stores that basically offer you loyalty credit cards. I actually do a separate video on this for more clarification to help you through this process. Which of these strategies have you applied in the past? Let me know in the comments.